In this video, we'll explore how you can independently manage your clinic account users through MyiTero.com. You'll learn how to view, expand, or remove existing staff members' permissions, add new users who have joined the staff, remove users who have left, and edit existing users' details. These functions are available through MyiTero.com for users with administrator permissions only. Access MyiTero.com portal from any computer and log in with your username and password. On the home screen, click on the Settings button and select Practice Settings. In the Settings page, click on Users. All users associated with your clinic appear here, along with their permissions. The administrator permission enables users to add, edit, or remove users. Changes to an administrator's permissions can only be made by another clinic administrator. At least one administrator must be selected for the account. Users with the visibility to all orders permission can access all patient information and scans within the clinic. This enables doctors to work with the scans associated with other doctors. A single primary contact user per clinic will receive all communication from the iTero system. Click the checkboxes to change users' permissions. To add a new user, click on the Add User button. Fill in the user's details. The email address is their username. Click OK. The system automatically sends the new user an invitation email where they click the link. They have 48 hours to accept the invitation. A new window asks if they already have an Invisalign account in the system, where the new user clicks Yes. They then click Send Code to receive a verification code to their phone. They enter the code in the verification window and click Verify. Finally, the new user will see a thank you message confirming they've successfully accepted the invitation and joined your clinic. View the invitation status in the Invite section of the user list. After the user is registered, they appear in the list of users. This may take a few hours. To edit a user's information, hover over the user in the list and click on the Edit button. Edit the required details. Note that the user's name cannot be changed. Removing an administrator's permissions of primary contact and administrator can only be made by another clinic administrator. Click Save. To delete a user from this clinic account, hover over the user in the list and click on the Delete button. A confirmation message appears, asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Yes. That's it. Whether adding new team members, adjusting permissions, or removing old accounts, you now know how to keep your clinic's user list up to date. It starts with iTero.